Okay, so it's grocery haul time. One of the most favorite things that I would offer to a client when I was doing a lot of consults was to use one of their sessions as a grocery store shop. So I'm going to be doing more of those on my YouTube shorts, maybe full videos. But for today, we're going to go through produce and then we're going to have a treats. So what I just showed you are what I would call staples, snackables, and integratables. So smoothies, that would be a staple, spinach there. And then also peppers, onions,